So the next thing that I want to demonstrate is how to back up a database and how to restore a database. As you can see right now, if we go to the upper left of the screen, we're running week 1A off of the E drive, which is my thumb drive. So I would like to back it up and save it to my hard drive. I'd rather run the meet off my computer and keep it on the computer, and at the end of the meet, back up onto my flash drive. So in order to do that, we go to File and we go to Backup and just click on that. And this box will come up and it will ask, where do we want to back up the meet to? Well, I do want it backed up onto the C drive, onto my hard drive of the computer. And Meet Manager makes a default directory, SW Meets, and then the number of Meet Manager. Since I'm using Meet Manager 7, it's SW Meets 7, and it's just part of the, it's under the C drive. So I'm going to use the default and say OK. This screen's going to pop up. I don't need to lock it or include any message, so I can just go and say OK. And now the meet has been backed up to my C drive. Okay. However, I'm still running right now off of the E drive. So what I would like to do is open the meet onto my C drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click File and Restore. I want to restore, not open. I basically want to take that file we just backed up onto my hard drive and restore it. So I click Restore, and I have 4 options here. I could open it and replace the current database on my flash drive. I don't want to do that. I don't want it on my flash drive. And I'm going to go with the default folder. So I'm going to unzip, copy the database to a selected folder, and then open it. So I'm going to go down to this 4th option. And I'm going to click OK. And now it's going to take me initially to my USB drive, but instead I'm going to go to Windows, and then I'm going to find SwimMeet 7, which is right up here, and I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to basically sort these by the most recent one. As you can see, I have 3 backups for week 1A, and they're numbered 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the first one I backed up, 2 is the second, and 3 is the third. And you can see the third is the one that I've done today, which is the most recent. So I'm going to select this and open it. It's going to again go to the default, which is what I want, and I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click OK again. I already have a file for week 1A 219, and it's asking me if I want to overwrite it, and I do. I'm happy just to go ahead and overwrite the old file. Otherwise, we'd have to rename it. So I'm going to go ahead and say OK and click OK. And now it's going to open it because initially we asked it to open the file. And again, admin and a single user. And now we're running the meet off the C drive, off that basically the file that I backed it up to before. So that's how you restore, back up a file and restore a file. When I'm done with a meet, I can just go ahead and back up the file to the flash drive. So I can go down to E, because that's where my thumb drive is. Usually there's no directory. I just put it on the flash drive, and I'll click OK, and I'll click OK. And I will have just backed up the meet onto my flash drive.